Today I'm going to prepare this trim work for painting. Because like Benjamin Franklin said, if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. I'm using acrylic latex caulk. It's paintable and cleans up with soap and water. And I'm not really sure who Alex is. He must have invented this stuff. I'm going to use this for the bigger gaps. It's supposed to be more flexible. I start with a small hole on the tube of caulk. I can always make it bigger if needed. Some tubes of caulk need to have a hole poked in them. This one didn't, but I did it anyways just for the video. And just so we're clear, I'm saying caulk, even if the captions tell you something else. And don't forget to wear protection, kids. This is a special dripless caulk gun. Usually these are for professional use only, but I'll put a link in the video description below so you can buy one on Amazon. A really helpful item is this grout sponge. I'll show you why later in the video. Every gap must be filled with caulk. Even the small gaps, like where the casing meets the door frame, all must be filled. This is very simple, but also very time-consuming. You can see the process here. No need for me to explain it. These inside corners can be kinda tricky. If you don't caulk all these areas, like the door stop and where the casing meets the door jamb, and you were to paint this, this would look absolutely terrible. Yep, and the top of the baseboards where it meets the wall, and on top of the shoe where it meets the baseboard. They do sell some funny gadgets for wiping off the excess caulk, but I think my finger works best. Now I'm going to tell you a secret, as long as you promise to keep it between us. I wiped the excess caulk on this sponge. When you're done caulking, I recommend cleaning the sponge in a bucket of water. I'm doing it here in a sink today, just because I don't care. Oh, would you look at that? All nice and clean, ready for the next job. Now we move on to filling all these nail holes. I'm using this fast dry premium spackling. This is what my painting contractor uses, so it must be the best. One way to remove the excess spackling is with a wet rag. You can use a piece of sandpaper like I'm doing here. They also sell these sanding blocks, which I prefer, but I couldn't find one in the truck today. This spackling dries very quickly. You could wipe it off or sand it down almost immediately. And that's it. You got the nail holes filled, the gaps all caulked. You're ready for paint. Thanks for watching.